Welcome to my channel, Economy Quotient. Today we're talking about something that sounds scary but is actually super important to understand: a major dump by Bitcoin long-term holders. Now, long-term holders are the people who usually don't panic sell. They buy, they hold, they ignore the noise. So when they start selling, everyone notices. But here's the key: this doesn't always mean Bitcoin is dead. A lot of the time, it simply means the people who bought much lower are taking profits. And that profit taking can shake the market hard, especially when lots of traders are overconfident and using leverage. So what happens when long-term holders start distributing? Think of it like a strong dam releasing water. Price can drop quickly, not only because of the selling itself, but because it triggers stop losses, liquidations, and fear. And once a key price level breaks, the market can fall like dominoes. That's why you often see these sudden red candles that look like chaos, even though underneath it can be a very mechanical move. Sell pressure hits, leverage gets wiped, and liquidity gets grabbed. Now let's talk about levels in a simple way. In moments like this, the market usually has a line in the sand level, an area where if Bitcoin climbs back above it and holds, it shows buyers are strong and absorbing the selling. But if it fails to reclaim that zone, the next move is often a sweep lower to where big buyers are waiting. This is where you'll hear people talk about liquidity zones or demand zones. It's basically saying, if the market is going to drop, it usually drops toward areas where there's enough buying interest to catch it. The big takeaway? A long-term holder dump can be painful in the short term, but it can also be a reset. It shakes out weak hands, clears leverage, and forces the market to rebuild on stronger ground. The smart way to handle this isn't panic. It's watching how price reacts after the drop. Does it bounce and hold? Does it keep making lower lows? That reaction tells you whether it was a quick flush or the start of a deeper correction. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one on Economy Quotient.